Now let us work on plotting some graphs. First of all, we'll define a variable x and give it a range of values. Let us say it ranges from -3 with a step size of 0.2 to +3. So x ranges from -3 with a step size of 0.2, it goes up to +3. Next, let us define another variable y such that y equals to x square. Notice that we have to put a dot here. A dot represents that every element of x should have a corresponding element in y. Now every element in x will be squared and stored as a value in y. So y will also be a matrix of exactly the same dimensions as x. So here we define y equals to x dot caret 2. Here we have the values of y ranging from 9 to 9. Alright, now let us plot this figure using the plot function x comma y. So here we have a basic graph where x ranges from -3 to 3 and y ranges from 0 to 9. Now let us label the axis. The command for labeling the x-axis is x-label. Let us name it x, and we surround it by single quotes since x is a string. Similarly, we will label the y-axis. Y equals to x square. Now let us look at the figure again. So you can see it has been labeled x and y equals to x square. Now let us give a title to this plot. Square. You can see that this has been labeled simple plot of y equals to x square. Now apart from a simple plot, we can also have a stem plot. Let's explore this feature. Using the same values of x and y, we define another figure. The command figure will open a new blank empty figure. Now we'll use the stem plot function. This is your figure 2. So you can see that instead of a continuous plot, it shows us all the discrete values that have been plotted. Similarly, we can label this plot and also we can give it a title. So as we can see, stem plot of y equals to x square, y-axis and the x-axis. So here we learned how to make some simple 2D graphs. Now let us draw some three-dimensional curves. For that we will have to define the initial x and y axis. We'll use the mesh structure, mesh grid. Mesh grid. Let's take them from -4 to +4. Here we have x and y. Now let us define a new variable z equals to x square plus y square and use the mesh function to plot three variables x, y, and z. So this was the curve which we get. X ranges from -4 to 4, y ranges from -4 to 4, and this is z. Z ranges from 0 to 40. Okay, so this is how we plot simple curves, 2D curves and 3D curves.